Hi, Scott doing at MarineMax in Louisville, Texas. We're going to take a look at a Harris Solstice 250. This is a 2020 year model. All right, so the Solstice 250 has traditionally been one of our best-selling luxury trim levels. So wrap around seating at the front. One of the big differences between the Solstice 250 and the 230, yes, the 250 is 2 foot longer, but most of that 2 foot is up here in these front bench seats. So a 230 is it's pronounced how much shorter it is up here. So this one does have the big lighting package. So LED lighting in your seat bases, cup holders, speakers up in the tower, under the rub rail around the outside, and underwater in the back. Does have flip down armrests. This one was ordered with the JL Platinum sound system. So 2 subwoofers, extra amplifiers, JL speakers all the way around, including JL tower cans, as well as a JL head unit. 9-inch SIMRAD display built into the center of the dash. So downscan sonar, fish finder, all of your engine gauges and your mercury gauges are going to run directly through there, and also analog gauges on the outside. Head unit here for your stereo. Digital throttle, because this boat does have a 350 on it, and wireless cell phone charger here. Everybody really likes the raised helm. It is kind of nice. If you're a little shorter person, you can sit here, in the captain's seat with someone tall sitting in front of you. That way you don't have to look around them. You can have the ability to look up over top of them. This does have the bow filler gate. So this cushion, we have it sitting right here now because we go in and out through the front of the boat, but normally that cushion's gonna fit right here, so that you have this full U-shaped seating, which is really nice. This is a SL floor plan, so it does have your flip-flop backrest. So 3 different positions for it. You can keep it like that, fold it this way, or you can also remove this cushion and have this entire thing fold down flat to make a full sun pad back here in the back. So really nice layout, definitely our most popular layout. Extended deck on the back with a telescoping ladder, as well as the submersible swim seat, which is a flip over swim seat. One of the most popular options on the boat. This also has a power tower on it. So this tower is powered to raise and lower for storage. Bimini can extend from here up to here, and then you can also open the additional forward bimini and go from here all the way back to that. So in a 25-foot boat, you get 25 foot of shade, which is really, really nice. So if you have any questions about this or any other boats you see online, pick up the phone and give us a call. We'd love to talk to you.